Hey guys, Corey with Train Like a Girl. So today I'm going to show you 3 tools that I use in the kitchen to make food prep super easy. And if it's easy for me, I know it'll be super easy for you as well. So the first one is, of course, the tried and true slow cooker or crock pot. I've used crock pots, slow cookers for years when it comes to food prepping. Super simple. I love that I can just turn it on and go about the rest of my day, not having to worry that if it's going to burn, if it's going to be overdone, and that, that nothing's going to happen to the house itself. What I love to do with crock pots is I pick the protein that we're going to be eating, so either chicken or beef. I've never cooked fish in a crock pot. I'm sure you could, and I'm sure it's great, just never have. Then I pick the veggies that we're going to be using. Lots of times I'll just see what's in the fridge, see if there's anything going bad. There's been times I just throw a bunch of stuff in. And then my husband's like, wow, this is really great. Can you make it for me again? I'm like, probably not, because I don't really remember what I put all in it. And then I choose what seasonings or spices I want to use. Turn it on. I don't have to worry about it, and it's wonderful. So you must get a crock pot. I've had 2. I actually broke one, but get one. It'll help you, I promise. The second one, the second tool that is a must-have to help with food prep is the spiralizer. There's many different kinds. I also have the hand one where it looks like a figure 8 and you just put like the zucchini or potato and you keep turning. This one is great because it's simple, easy, has a bunch of different blades. This one, you just pop right out. This is for like bigger zoodles, I guess you can call it, or I've also used this one for making curly fries with sweet potatoes. Then you get a bunch of different blades to go with it. There's ones for like ribbons. It's great. You put whatever, like the zucchini or the sweet potato, whatever you're using, on here, connect it to here, and you just turn and push. It falls right out here. It's wonderful. It saves me a lot of time, and it's a great way to eat and your veggies and make it fun. Parker loves this. She loves helping me with this, and believe it or not, I actually get her to eat it too. Last but not least is the Instapot. I've had this one for about 1.5 years. It was my very first one. I was very scared at first because it's a pressure cooker, okay? You think pressure, you think, oh no, I'm gonna do something wrong, kaboom. I promise you, this thing is awesome. What I love about this is it's kind of like the slow cooker where you set it, it cooks, it does whatever it for however long it has to, and then it'll actually just leave the food warm. It'll continue to warm for as long as until you release the valve and shut everything off. Simple to use. So one great thing I love about this, besides how easy it is to use, is how fast everything cooks. Hard-boiled eggs, every week I make 18 hard-boiled eggs for the 3 of us. 5 minutes. That's all you have to do. You put your raw eggs in, put a cup of water, and I would say by the time that it builds up the pressure, it cooks, and then releases the pressure, I would say 8 to 10 minutes. That's it. You don't have to check the water, you don't have to worry about, oh my gosh, did I overcook? 5 minutes to cook. Frozen chicken breast, I didn't believe this. I looked up how to cook frozen chicken breasts in the Instant Pot. It said 12 minutes. I'm thinking, no way. They're frozen. I mean, I'm literally from the freezer, did not thaw them out. I put them in. They were perfect. I could not believe it. So I would say from, again, to the time that you start everything, it builds up the pressure and it cooks, and then you shut everything off, maybe 15 to 20 minutes. You can't tell me you don't have 20 minutes to make chicken. During those 20 minutes, you come home from either picking the kids up, come home from work, whatever. You pop everything in, okay? You start it, you get all the other stuff done. all the other stuff ready. Maybe, you know, it's chopping up the veggies or cooking the veggies or getting the salad together or warming up, steaming a bag of veggies in the microwave. Then it's all done, okay? So I've told clients before, if you have Instapot, which I highly, highly recommend, you can't say you don't have time to food prep, because I promise you do. As well as cooking the chicken, I know you can bake stuff in. I've never done like cakes or brownies, even though I know you can. I'm kind of scared too, because once I see how easy it is and how great they are, I'm going to be making a lot of them. The other thing that I cooked in here is actually oats. Real simple. I think that was about another 8 to 10 minutes. Again, it doesn't take much. I made bone broth. That was the only thing that took, I think, 3 or 4 hours. Real simple. I made bone broth and it was great. So if you haven't gotten one of these, I highly, highly recommend you get an Instapot. All 3 of these are going to make your food prepping super simple. You're going to be done. You're going to have the rest of the day whenever you do your food prep. We do ours on Sundays, but it's super simple. Hope this helps. Let me know if you have any of these tools in your kitchen, if you like them. If you have them and you haven't tried it, now you are. Let me know how it's going. Thanks, guys.